The number of twin births has been increasing over the past few decades, and there are several factors that contribute to this trend. Here are some key reasons for the rise in twin births. Advanced maternal age. Women are increasingly delaying childbirth until later in life. Advanced maternal age, typically defined as 35 years or older, is associated with a higher likelihood of releasing multiple eggs during ovulation, leading to a higher chance of conceiving twins. Fertility treatments. The use of fertility treatments, such as in vitro fertilization, IVF, has become more prevalent. These treatments often involve the transfer of multiple embryos into the uterus to increase the chances of pregnancy. Consequently, this raises the likelihood of multiple pregnancies, including twins. Assisted reproductive technologies, ART. Besides IVF, other assisted reproductive technologies like intrauterine insemination, IUI, and ovulation induction can also contribute to an increased chance of conceiving twins. These procedures stimulate the ovaries to produce multiple eggs, which can result in multiple pregnancies. Changing demographics and lifestyle factors. Certain demographic and lifestyle factors can influence the likelihood of conceiving twins. For instance, the number of pregnancies in older women and the rate of pregnancies among African Americans are higher, both of which are associated with a higher incidence of twins. Additionally, factors such as increased body weight and the use of oral contraceptives before pregnancy have also been linked to an elevated chance of having twins. It's important to note that while the number of twin births has been rising, they still account for a relatively small percentage of total births. The specific reasons for the increase may vary across regions and populations, but overall, a combination of factors related to maternal age, fertility treatments, and lifestyle choices contribute to the observed trend.